Hello, this is PCB Renee. Many people believe PCB manufacturing is leaving China, moving to Vietnam, India, or Southeast Asia. And yes, this trend is real. But what most people don't understand is this: the shift is happening, but not in the way you think. In this video, I will break it down using real data, industrial trends, and what's actually happening on the ground. Let's start with the facts. The global PCB market was worth about $74 billion in 2025, and it's still growing steadily. China alone accounts for roughly 35% to over 50% of global PCB production, depending on how we measure it. In fact, China remains the largest PCB manufacturer base in the world. So clearly, China is not being replaced, but at the same time, we are seeing a real shift. Countries like Vietnam and India are growing fast. For example, PCB production in Southeast Asia is expected to grow by over 8% in 2025, faster than most regions, and India's electronics manufacturing industry is expanding rapidly, but still relies heavily on imports. Up to 80 to 90% of PCB demand is imported. So yes, production is moving, but remaining in specific segments. Low-end PCB manufacturing is easier to move. Simple boards, never driven, less engineering. But high-end PCB manufacturing is a completely different story. High complexity PCB depend on ecosystem, not just cost. In the high-end PCB market, Asia, especially China, Taiwan, and Korea, controls over 85% of global production. China alone is expected to reach over 37% global PCB market share in 2025. Recently, global supply chains are under pressure again. Due to geopolitical tensions and supply disruptions, PCB lead times have increased dramatically, in some cases from 6 weeks to 6 months. At the same time, raw material prices, including copper and laminate, are rising again. This is making supply chain stability more important than ever. From my experience working with overseas clients, most buyers don't just look for lowest price. They care about 3 things: stable quality, predictable lead time, and clear communication. And this is exactly why many buyers still rely on China for complex PCB projects. So is PCB manufacturing moving out of China? The answer is partially, but not fundamentally. If you are sourcing PCBs globally, understanding this difference can save you time, cost, and risk. Bye bye.